discipline? Discipline is inherited from the vocabulary of 19th century and is understood as a branch of instruction for the transmission of knowledge and as a convenient mapping of academic administration. जो discipline word है वो 19th century में निकाला गया था, इनहेरिट किया था। इसका मतलब है कि किसी चीज, किसी नॉलेज के बारे में इंस्ट्रक्शन देना। देखिए दो तरह के डिसिप्लिन होते हैं। ये वो वाला नहीं है जो स्कूल में होता है कि आपको डिसिप्लिन में रहना है। ये डिसिप्लिन अलग है जिसमें हम नॉलेज के ट्रांसमिशन की बात कर रहे हैं। कन्वीनियंट मैपिंग ऑफ एकेडमिक इंस्ट्रक्शन, इसमें हम जो बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं उसके एकेडमिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की बात करें। तो जो नेचर ऑफ डिसिप्लिन है वो क्या क्या है? डिसिप्लिन इम्प्लाइज एन ऑर्डर, डिसिप्लिन इज रिलेटेड टू लर्निंग, discipline is related to putting some order to learn, discipline is making some organization with the purpose of learning, it involves some effort made to organize teaching, it involves some effort made to organize learning, it is related to teaching learning process, it is related to knowledge organization process, it is related to processing of knowledge, it involved reduction of more knowledge through organization of the existing knowledge, it is basically related to learning process and hence education। मतलब कुल मिला के इतना है कि ऑर्गेनाइज टीचिंग और ऑर्गेनाइज लर्निंग पे फोकस करती है। It is basically related to learning process and hence education. It is related to the learner, teacher, experts and specialists. It is related to construction of new knowledge. It implies that knowledge grow and expand. It implies that knowledge is not final. It involves a process of classification. It is a body of specialized knowledge. It has theories and concept. It has a specific terminology. Its specific object is research. It has got definite methodology of research. This is the nature of discipline.